In the last few years, Sketch has grown to be one of the leading applications used by graphic designers, especially in the area of mobile application development. Luckily, they already supply an app icon template to use. Launch your Sketch application, and the dialog should appear showing various templates built into Sketch. Select the iOS app icon template. Now you should see the template with various sizes of the app icon. Go ahead and edit the largest icon. As you edit the large icon, your changes should be reflected in your other app icon sizes. When completed, go to the top menu and select Export. Then, select all the sizes you wish to export and then choose the folder you wish to export to. If you go to that folder, you should see all your icon sizes. From there, you can drag the files into your asset catalog. To learn more, go to learningswift.brightdigit.com or brightdigit.com for more details.